Hi guys, how you doing? This is Matt, and I'm now in the recesses of my darkened garage with the door open where it's quite light. Right, anyway, okay, so I've been making some cool stuff, doing some Volkswagen campers and Beetles and a few figures I've done with my resin printer, and one statue has been on my mind for a long time, and that is the Batman Sanity Statue. And it's got Batman and 12 villains on the base, and the base is quite large. If you did it 100% scale, it would be nearly a meter tall. Some people have made it from FDM printer, or with an FDM printer, and they've created 1/4 scale at 1.2 meters tall. Absolutely ridiculous. But I'm doing it now with my little resin printer down there, and let's check on the progress now. Yeah, so here it is. We're now at layer 645 out of 3,389. I've still got 6 hours 54 minutes to go, and it is doing well. So that means this has been going since about 9:30 this morning. So it's been going for 3 hours, and that's what I got. Right. 2.5, 3 centimeters worth. So that'll give you some kind of scale, some idea of the scale of this thing. If we're going to do a centimeter an hour. Okay, so this is part 1 of the base. There's 5 parts to the base. Hopefully I can get all these working, and no fails, please, no fails. So yeah, carry on following me if you want to, and I'll see you later. Cheers guys.